Today, we are talking about a really promising and new crypto project that is offering lots of really great utilities. And what's really exciting, this project announced insane airdrop, and everyone watching this video can actually participate and get this airdrop for free if they follow all the instructions in this video. But before that, I need to remind you that a financial advisor, this video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project. Today, we are talking about a huge and really bullish crypto plus, I would say, Web2 project called Bincom. Bincom is the future of community engagement, and they're building social hub plus community platform. And actually, they have some really unique, I would say, features and angles for this project, which makes it really competitive and, in my opinion, really bullish in this industry and in this niche. And also right now, crypto is waking up. Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs. And I think this project has a really good chance of succeeding because this is a really big project with lots of utilities. Of course, utilities are bullish. And also they have the platform ready. They have the investors ready. And right now they're doing airdrop to get more people. And of course, to reward the early investors and the early participants. So first of all, let's check out some of the features of the platform. And actually, let's go right here, platform. And we have two buttons. So first of all is BIC group. Basically, it's a Beincom, their name and also the token. And we can see what they're actually building and what they're offering. So first of all, they want to really simplify these kind of social media platforms to make it better for the users, also for people trying to promote, for the influencers, for everyone to actually use the platform in peace and also really easily. And we have some of the key features. So we have, first of all, smart organization. So community members can be divided into small groups. Next up is administration, so convenient and continuously updated admin panel, and reach commitment. And actually, I think this is really bullish if we're talking about social media landscape right now, because they will have no algorithms that will limit or prioritize content display. For example, if you're posting on Facebook or Instagram, your followers will likely not see your post, which is really big negative because if you have a 1 million follower audience and you're posting some pictures and only 1% of your followers see your content, it's a big negative, and it really discourages people of posting and actually growing their accounts. Because, for example, if you go on TikTok or Instagram, you will see some random people, random posts which you are not following because it's not organic. It's basically algorithm feeding you AI slop and other posts you might like. And I think this is the right approach. This is the original approach of social media. If you follow someone, if you post something, you will see the post. And of course, it's a win-win situation for the follower and also win-win situation for people or organization posting their posts. And I think this is really great. And I hope the traditional social media will also come back to this model. Next up, you can see some of the images. I actually also have account on the social media platforms. For example, if we jump in, you can see how it all looks. It kind of reminds me of Facebook, which is not a bad thing because, of course, Facebook spent millions in research and development to actually make their platform as good as possible, as addictive as possible. Of course, it's good to actually copy some of the good things to actually make your platform also polished. And you can see we have communities. You can create your own community. You have all the communities you're following. You have all the different posts. You can also explore. So for example, if you want to find something new outside your following bubble, you can actually explore and find posts. If you want to see the following, you can also click following. You can also quick post like on Facebook. You can also create series. You can write articles. And right here, we also have medals. I will talk about medals a bit later because this is one of the ways how you can get airdrops for free. You don't have to spend money. It's free. You can get big airdrop for free. Next up, again, you can see all the trending posts, which kind of reminds me of x.com or Twitter. And on top, we have free buttons, newsfeed, we have communities, and we also have marketplace, which is again combined with blockchain, with Web3, because you can see we have auctions, we have wallets, we also have cryptocurrency. Again, this is really cool. Basically, they're combining Web2, for example, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and also combining it with blockchain, with Web3, with NFTs, with wallets, and much more. Again, I think this is a really cool idea. Some projects tried before, but I think this project so far built the most. And if we're talking about building, you can see right now they raised $11 million in the private round. You can see May 6th, we had this post. And of course, this shows the excitement in the market because big investors are spending their money. They believe this platform because, of course, they're sending their money and they're investing. And with this money, of course, they can do big airdrops. They can attract more users. They can build out lots of different features, utilities. And if you're early, for example, if you're early investor or if you're early onto the platform, you have a good chance of actually maximizing your gains. And a big bonus, which I mentioned, they have a huge airdrop which doesn't require you any investment. So let's go back to the platform. You can see we have the inner circles, we have the content that always reaches you, we have automatically generated chat channels, we have flexible composite tools, and again, they're combining Web 2 and Web 3, and also you can learn more about BIC chat. Again, more features, more utilities, and you can find all the links in the description. But now let's talk about the main reason why I clicked on the video. It's probably the airdrop, because they have a big airdrop opportunity. So let's click on the airdrop, and you can see right now they have this insane airdrop with 300 million BIC tokens on the line. So everyone watching this video can actually participate. It's super easy. You can see easy missions, 100% win rate. So if you participate, you will win. And also it's 100% free. And I will show you how to participate. So first of all, you have to create an account on their platform. You can find the link in the description. Next up, when you sign up, let's jump in back to the platform. You have this button as Medal Legends. I think first time when you sign up, it automatically will pop up. Let's click on it. And right here, we have our wheel, same as on the airdrop page. We have our wheel, and you can actually spin this wheel. And actually, I used up my spins today in the morning, and I got 13 medals. So what can you do with these medals? Actually, you can exchange these medals later for tokens. And again, you can see how easy it is. I spent $0. I got free spins. I spin this game and I get free medals that I can later exchange to these bullish tokens. And for example, you can see they even posted on the decrypt.com about this big airdrop. So if you're watching this video, don't wait too long, because this airdrop will have multiple stages. And of course, if you're early, you can participate in all these stages. And of course, this way you're getting more tokens. In my opinion, later, these tokens could be extremely valuable. So accumulate as much as possible. By the way, if we're talking about decrypt, let's jump in back to the main page, because actually they already did lots of marketing, because they have been posted on, you can see how many different news pages. Benzinga, we have Business Insider, we have AP, Markets Insider, Decrypt, You Today. So all the biggest players in the media already talking about this project, which is again a really great signal. It means people are bullish, people are talking about it, and these tokens, when they launch, have a really big chance of exploding, and of course maximizing your profits for the airdrop or investment if you invested in this project. So let's get back to the airdrop. The rules are really simple. Again, step 1, sign up using my link, because if you use my link, you're always getting the best deal. Next up, spin the wheel, you get these medals, and later you can exchange these medals for prizes. And after that, you can invite more people using your affiliate or referral link, which will give you more rewards. And last thing I have to mention for you is how to be eligible. So if we jump into the Twitter or x.com of their project, let's follow it, link in description. I always recommend you to follow big projects with big airdrops before the launch, because it's the best way to be up to date. And with these projects, if you early, have a good chance of winning tokens, investing early, and of course making more money. So first of all, we can see to be eligible for the airdrop 2 out of 60, you have to activate your wallet. We have the links right here, verify your KYC, again instructions right here, and complete 7-day login challenge. And I also found one additional bonus, because they also have Galaxy program. You can see right here, Beincom, they have this little Pudge NFT raffle, and you can join the Beincom and get your free NFT. Again, I'll leave the link in the description. And what's really cool, it's super easy to participate, only 3 steps, and you can get even more prizes as NFTs, as medals, as coins,